Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of What the Chart Says. On this episode we'll be looking at Stanbic Bank IBTC to review the stock on what the chart says. Before we go further, let's quickly take a look at our disclaimer. By viewing this video, we are not responsible for any losses or any gain that you incur as a result of using our video to trade. If you want to invest in stock market, kindly consult your financial advisor, and let's take note that past performance does not guarantee future results. Take time to look at our disclaimer in details, and from there we move to the charts of Stanbic Bank. This is the chart of the bank IBTC. Let's go to the monthly first to see what is happening on the monthly chart. I want to move it to the center. Yeah, looking great. So the market has been making higher highs, good, and higher lows. Fantastic. Not looking bad at all. That is good. But in terms of the trend line, that is where the trend line is, where the price come to meet the trend line. Only time we tell, but for now, this is what we have. This is what we have now. So the market it didn't break this low, which is good, but it's been making some lower lows and lower highs. It's just like the general market, so it's not peculiar to a single market on the Nigeria Stock Exchange. So what we have here is just like the market. The market breadth is not looking good at all, but for this particular stock, it went. Let me see the fib level. At what level is that? Taken from the low in 2016. That's about 61.8 fib level to between 61.8 to 78.6, which is generally not bad. However, on the higher time frame, the stock needs to break a new high to send a signal that it's ready to move up. The swinger is at 30, let's say 36 naira. It's at 36 naira, and the low here is about 23.50. So in terms of the long-term outlook of the stock, not looking good. The next support level is at 21 naira. It's at 21 naira, but liquidity is at 18 naira. Let's say 19 naira. Liquidity is at 19 naira. And the trend line, possible trend line marking, is at 17 naira. So in terms of long-term outlook, it's not looking good. This stock is not looking good in terms of long-term outlook. The next good support is between 19 naira to 24 naira. However, let's see the volume. If you can look at the volume, let's see when it's going down. Going down last month of April was higher than going up of May and June, of May and April. So the recent liquidity is at about 28.50. That's what in our past video, that's what we said, and we saw last week the market make some reaction at that level. Let's see weekly. Let's go to the weekly and see what the market is this chart is saying for the weekly. In terms of the weekly outlook, yeah, that's good. The stock makes our highs, it makes our highs and our lows, which is good, but in terms of monthly, not looking fantastic. Let's see the volume. Volume. I can see it is very low. Over 103,000. That was last week. 1 million. So this rejection might be fake, but whatever way, this support level, market reacted to the support level at 28.50 thereabout. So what's for this particular stock, what I want to see before we have confidence in the stock, you see that the market comes low, be rejected at a lower low, then start making on this time frame weekly, and start making higher highs, or where it is now, it break the resistance at 35.85, or let's say 36. It break it and a pull back to test that support. Now resistance turn supports will be a good time to buy if there is any rejection. Otherwise, the market might continue down. However, not looking bad in terms of weekly outlook. But the rejection last week, it looks like it's fake. It looks fake because of the low volume, no energy. We have low energy there, and I mean, put it back again. If I want to trade this one personally, if I want to trade it for on the weekly, very sure the market will retest this next week. Next coming week, market will come back to 28.50 thereabouts, and the low here is 28. Market will retest this support again next week. I'm thinking that. Yeah, good. I mentioned about boy. Okay, in terms of weekly, looking good but not very good. So market's testing again. 28.50 will be a good buy for weekly outlook. In terms of daily, let's say daily, what's happening daily, has been going making high highs and high lows, but recently it's been going down, making lower lows and lower highs. So on the daily, what is important, let's see the fib level. It's more than 50. It looks good. Yeah, that's 61.8, not bad. So market is testing 28.50 next week. 90% sure of that. So what we want to see really, if we're looking for strength in the market, is for market to break this swing high, at 36, then a pullback or retest at that level with rejection, also with good volume. It'll be a good time to go on short term. That is the outlook of IBTC. IBTC good to go at 28.50. However, we need to be conversant of the market breadth, which is very bad for Nigerian Stock Exchange for now. Will the market breadth change next week? Most of the stock we've been looking at looks like There might be something in the offing next week, it looks like, but we don't want to preempt what will happen next week. Let's follow the what the chart is saying. So for now, 2850 looks good. 2850 looks good for the banking. The banking sector generally is not looking good, but this particular stock looks like we found a good support at 2850 short term. But in terms of the monthly, it looks, as we saw the other time, the price might drop lower than 2858, 2850. So that is the analysis summary for IBTC. If you have any question, any comments, please drop it below. And if you like what we're doing, kindly subscribe to our channel and you get notification for subsequent videos. Thank you very much. We look forward to releasing more videos. Bye.